Hello everyone, this is Patil sir and once again I welcome you all to my class for standard 5th and the subject is English. So in the last lecture we have seen what is a preposition. So preposition is a word which is used in, before noun and pronoun and it shows the relation with the other words in the sentences. Then we have seen the prepositions such as in, on, into, between and among in the last few lectures, and in this lecture we will learn another two prepositions that are beside and besides. Beside and besides. So if you look at these two words, these are two prepositions. First is beside and second is besides, and these are spelled in the same way. Here in the word beside we have not added yes after the word beside, and here in the word besides we have added yes to the word besides. That means these two words are spelled in the same way, but these two prepositions are used in a different way. There are two different ways for that they are used in the sentences. So first we will see the use of beside. So beside is used in the sense of outside of something or someone. Then it is used in the sense of by the side of. That means it means next to someone or next to something, and it is used to show the location of someone or something. It is used in the sense of by the side of or outside, and it means next to someone or next to something. And we have example. So we have first example, that is go and sit beside your father. Go and sit beside your father. So here we have used preposition, that is beside. Sentence is go and sit beside your father. So here it is used in the sense of by the side of or outside of someone or something. That means it is used in the sense of next to someone or something. So here go and sit beside your father. In this sentence your father, so this person, that is your father, has sat already at some place, and it may be any chair or any desk or any lamp. So suppose this is your father, so he has sat at some places, and there is an instruction to you that go to you or to your friend that go and sit beside your father. So you will go and sit beside your father. That means you will sit here, you will sit next to your father. So here you will sit here, that means you will sit beside your father. Then we have another sentence. The child was sitting beside the mother. So here we have used preposition beside, and it is used in the sense of by the side of, or outside, or next to someone or something. That means here the mother has already sat on at some places, and the child was also sitting next to the mother. So it is used in the sense of next to someone or something, or by the side of, or outside. Then we have another preposition, that is besides. So here we have added yes to word beside, and it is used in the sense of addition to, or addition to some, in addition to something or someone. For example, it is used in sense of in addition to, and we have examples such as besides Ramayana I have the Gita. Besides the Ramayana, I have the Gita. So here, besides the Ramayana, I have the Gita, and here in this sentence we have two books, that is Ramayana, and second is Gita, that is a Bhagavad Gita. These two books are holy books in a Hindu religion, and here in this sentence it is said that besides the Ramayana I have the Gita. That means the person who is saying this sentence has already Ramayana. He has the book of Ramayana, and in addition to that, he has Bhagavad Gita. He has another book. Then we have another sentence, that is I teach. Besides English, I teach. Besides English, I teach history, and geography. So here in this sentence, it is besides is used in the sense in addition to or moreover. So here it tells us that I teach English, and in addition to that, I teach history and geography also. So I have made this sentence because I teach English for class 5th, and in addition to that, I teach history to class 7th and also class 5th, and then I teach geography to the class 8. So in addition to English, I teach history and geography. Then we have another sentence, that is, I speak Marathi. Besides Marathi, I speak Hindi and English. So here we have used preposition besides. That means as I am living in Maharashtra and Marathi is my mother tongue, so I can speak Marathi. Then in addition to that, I speak Hindi as it is a national language, and in addition to that, I speak English as it is a foreign language. So in addition to Marathi, I speak Hindi and English. So in this way, we have seen two prepositions, that are beside and besides. Thank you.